Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning if you can hear me. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my live stream. Alright, so um we'll just start by reviewing all the charts we discussed over the week. I think on Monday we'll just start with that and see how far we have gone, and then we go into um, what we can possibly get from the market today. You can share the live, you can make sure you're using the like button so that we are recognized by the algorithm. So yeah, we discussed this particular card JPY sell on Monday. We discussed this where I showed you guys this particular level um, that I'll be watching to get a sell, right? So you can see that currently price is selling, and yeah, we're just waiting to see if it will hit TP. I marked out this level here because one of my guys pointed out that key level to me, so that's why I had to take note of it. That's why I had to take note of it, right? So yeah, so far so good. This is going well. um we took this near long in my signal group yesterday. That's like 4.1 RTP. We've smashed that. Podcasts, I shared podcasts free in the I shared podcasts in my on my timeline yesterday. We just smashed TP, right? So um let's see. I'm just going to start with the forex markets, see what we have, and then we'll go down and see everything we can take for today um, from the crypto market. I remember I also mentioned a possible sell on USD JPY. Sadly, it didn't get to that particular entry, but then I still sold during the news. Um, I called it, as a matter of fact, I called it live. I called it live during before the news. I told you people USD JPY was going to sell, and gold was going to buy. So if you check very well now, you see that gold is buying while USD JPY sold, and it's still selling, right? So yeah, um, give me a minute. I'm trying to- Okay, so let's just clear the chart and see what we're looking for today. So we're starting with USD JPY. USD JPY is already selling, but it's important we pay attention to this level here. This is the daily time frame on USD JPY. Let's go down to lower time frame and see. Yeah, I think we should pay attention to that level. See what New York presents. I think we'll continue to sell. I think USD JPY should continue selling. I think USD JPY should continue selling. We just have to figure out you just have to figure out. Okay, so here's what I think. Here's what I think on USD JPY. I'm not on the 1 hour time frame, right? So using this as inducement, using this zone here as inducement, we might get something like this, right? So I'm interested in this recovery setup here. I'll be basing my UJ buy on that recovery setup. Just tap and close above, and we are good. And then you should be looking for sell continuation here. So just take note of that level, set your alert, and so something like this on UJ. If I get a tap into this zone and a close above. So we're looking for this recovery setup. We just buy and see how it reacts here. So if we sell there, the targets are just obvious. We just target this zone here. If we start to sell from 147.712. But meanwhile, let's pay attention to what will happen around this region. Let's pay attention to what will happen around this region. So that's that on USD JPY. What else are we looking at? Let's look at what gold is doing. I'm interested to sell gold here. I don't know. This is a very strong 4-hour key level. I'm interested to see what gold will do there. I'm interested to see what gold will do at that level. So if I'm going to sell there, to be strictly on confirmation entry. Strictly on confirmation entry for gold to sell. GBP, we discussed GBP and then I told you to look for buy. Sadly, GBP didn't get to our buy zone, but it's buying anyway. We had this zone as our buy zone POI from the previous live stream. From the previous live stream, we had this zone, but we didn't get it. So if it doesn't come to me, I'm not interested. GBP JPY. Daily didn't have a good close. Daily time frame didn't get a good close. We had just price reacting from that level, but still wasn't enough. Let me see. Okay, that's where price is reacting from. Let's go down and see what we get. I'm interested to see what GJ will do if it takes previous daily high. Might be getting a sell on GJ. So we need price to take previous daily high and give us a rejection. Then we can sell GJ. So we're looking for something like this. We're looking for that kind of reaction on GJ. Let's see what EJ has. I think this nonsense EJ is looking to buy. I don't know how or why, but I think it's looking to buy. I think UJ is going to buy from this zone. Yeah, very possible. think you EJ can buy from that zone. If it breaks this high, then the setup becomes invalid. Skill point Africa. What I see when I'm picking these zones, I'm looking for key levels that price might likely react from. I'm looking for key levels that price might likely react from, and then I'm looking for key levels that have liquidity close to them. That's what I'm looking for, key levels, and then key levels that have liquidity close to them. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. So if price takes out this high before it comes to our entry, then that setup becomes invalid. But otherwise, I think this is a good buy zone for EJ. So we just set an alert there. Moving on, what else are we looking at? USD CHF. Okay, let's see USD CHF. What do I have? I've not checked this chart this week. So we can see that price is rejecting from here consecutively. So since it's rejecting there, I think this should be our area of interest. I think we missed the sell on USD CHF already. I think we did. I think we missed it already. I think we missed the sell on USD CHF already. I remember my guy shared that trade in our group, but I didn't pay attention to it. I didn't pay attention to it. I think we missed it. I think we missed the sell on that. I'm not sure about it. I'm not too sure about this level. But watch, you might get a sell continuation there. But the main sell on USD CHF, I think we missed it already. We don't miss them. We don't miss the sell. Yeah. Sorry, I know all these odd pairs. I dey barely trade minors or card CHF. I mean, of all the pairs you can trade, why are you looking at card CHF? Who, you know how much commission that they charge you for that kind of pair, or the slippage and the wetin dem dey call am, wey dey for that kind minor pair wey dey trade. Card CHF. Of all the pairs where you go trade, major pairs full everywhere. You dey trade card CHF. Okay, let's look at some crypto pairs. Let's look at some crypto pairs. Let's see what the markets will give us today in crypto. Let me first of all start by checking what BTC is doing. Let me see. No green call. price maintains momentum like this without retracement, it's a problem. It's only a matter of time before disaster. I don't like this move on BTC. I don't like why BTC is moving like this. It needs to print deeper retracements for us. It needs to print deeper retracements. So Ethereum is going for its old all-time high. That's what it's obviously targeting. They want to hit it by force. They want to hit that high by force. Let's see what Earth will do for us there. AUD JPY should follow his brothers. Should follow his brothers to sell. If we never miss the sell. Never still tag this sell well. Now there they find to sell on daily. That's where I'm looking to sell it. It's not, it hasn't tagged. Just giving me engagement today. That's where I'm looking to sell it. I don't know. Seem to have rejected from this open close here instead. Nothing very interesting for this AUD chart for me until that daily POI is tagged. If you never tag this daily sell, this POI here, I won't be interested. It's either tags that or breaks below this one. That's what I can look out for. But it has to tag this level first. We have inducement, we have the key level, so price hasn't given us that yet. So I'm willing to wait for it to tag that POI and reject if I look for any sell. I've analyzed Euro JPY legacy, you are late. I've analyzed Euro JPY already. AUD, this level that I marked here is quite an interesting level. If we get a good reaction, they can buy from this level. It has inducement too, so it can buy. Collins, you are late too. I've looked at gold. Told you people where soul is going, and I think say na play and they play. I tell una where soul they go, and I think say na play. So that was not clean at all. Levels are not clean. You people are late. Oh. All these charts you're asking me to check, I've checked them. I've checked USDJ. In fact, most JPY pairs you are pointing at now, I've checked them. I hope una dey hear me. Shall we say no sound? Sound dey now. Who say no sound? I'm waiting for gold to tap into this 4-hour key level. I'm waiting for gold to tap into this 4-hour key level. If I get a rejection, then I can use lower time frame entry on it. That's what I'm looking for on gold. If this happens, we'll go down to 15 minutes or 30 minutes to get a sell. My guy is pointing out something interesting on Earth for me now. He's pointing out this level. He's pointing out this level for me. On, is it that level? Are we sure Earth is going to retrace that deep? I don't know, let's see. Because that would mean retracing that entire candle that it has moved.